If you have an LLC and you don't have a company card attached to that isn't paying for a majority of your business expenses, you are messing up. You know, my personal line is probably less than like $2,000 or $3,000 a month. My Amex, 50 plus K a month with construction. Does not affect my personal line. Personal credit goes up. Business credit score, not really a thing.
All right, so let me explain what he's trying to articulate. Anytime you use your personal credit cards to pay business expenses, especially if you're just building a business, you're probably going to be carrying some balances. Now, when you carry balances on your personal credit card, it actually reports to your personal credit file. This oftentimes can boost your utilization rate through the roof, which damages your credit scores, making it more difficult for you to accumulate funding in the future. That's, of course, if you need to carry those balances for a while. Now, when you utilize business credit cards, that information doesn't report to your personal credit history. Thus, it does not damage your personal credit score. So let's just say you have a Business Chase credit card and you run that up to about 50% utilization. Your personal credit file is not affected. So should you need to go apply for another business credit card, they're going to run your personal credit. That credit score is still going to be as strong as it was when you initially got that Chase card, and possibly even stronger if you've been guarding your credit properly. You're going to get approved for that new business credit card and then be able to put more money on that new line of credit. That new line of credit, nor the utilization rate that you accumulate on it, will be affecting your personal credit either. This is how business credit cards help you beat the personal credit game. Follow for more tips that'll help you increase your credit scores.